Osmo DashCam Pro Review. Is this compact dash cam even worth it? Is the Osmo DashCam Pro actually a good budget dash cam, or does the impressive feature list hide some compromises? Let's take a closer look. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Osmo DashCam Pro is a dual camera system designed to record the road from the front and rear. Current product information lists 4K recording for the front camera and 1080p HD for the rear, with 30 frames per second and a 170-degree wide-angle view. It also offers HDR or WDR-style image processing, loop recording, and a G-sensor that can automatically protect footage when an impact is detected. One of its biggest advantages is the feature set for the price. You get front and rear coverage, Wi-Fi on some configurations, GPS on listed versions, and parking monitoring support. Installation is also designed to be straightforward, but there are some important things to keep in mind. The specifications and marketing claims vary between Osmo versions and sales pages, including whether the rear camera is 1080p or advertised as 4K. So buyers should check the exact listing before ordering. Parking monitoring also requires continuous power, and the hardware kit may be sold separately. There are also limited independent reviews and testing, compared with established dashcam brands. So I would be cautious about treating claims such as exceptional night vision or guaranteed license plate clarity as proven performance. Overall, the Osmo DashCam Pro makes the most sense for buyers who want an affordable front and rear system with useful recording features. But if dependable long-term performance, verified image quality, and extensive independent testing are your priorities, it may be worth considering a more established dashcam brand. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what dash cam you're considering.